Hey guys, Mark here with Hanging with the Hyatts. I'm doing my first oil change on the generator on the camper. It's a Yamaha NPS 5500. And they recommend doing an oil change after 20 hours. And I'm right at 20 hours. There's the dipstick for the oil in the block, and there's the drain plug in the oil pan. So you see the cutout hole there, that's a plug. It's got a cap on it that you gotta take off, which is that piece. And I thought I could use a paper filter to guide the oil down into my catch pan, but you can see I do got an oil pan down there, and it didn't work like I thought it should. But anyway, they recommend 20 foot-pounds on the torque of the drain plug. The drain plug, it's got a crush washer on it. I got a torque wrench. There ain't getting no torque wrench up in there. So anyway, I went to my 20 foot-pounds of fuel. But anyway, they also recommend 1.6 of either 10W30 or 10W40 Yamaha. I went with 10W40, but there's no getting 1.2 quarts of oil in this thing. I was good to get 1 quart in it because, and it's setting level, camper's level. But anyway, that drain plug is a 17 millimeter. And also the NPS 5500 is the model number MZ360. I couldn't find that MZ360 on anything on the motor, so I spent more of my time trying to figure out which model number I had so I could put the right amount of oil in it than I did anything. But for the MZ360, it is the MPS 5500. And they say it's on a tag somewhere, but I can't find it nowhere. But this is right out of the service manual. And there you see the MZ360 20 foot-pounds. Anyway, I ran it for about 10 minutes after I changed the oil just to see if I could get more oil in it. But when I put the drain plug out, you can see that the oil is all the way up to the dipstick, where you can see down in there as you hold a flashlight, and you can see that you ain't gonna get no more oil in there without it running out. But anyway, I'm right at 20.6 hours. So I don't know what the next interval is. I have to look in the manual and find it out, but that's what we did today. Thanks for hanging with the Hyatts.